my house. I just tulog ka na naman.
Mata yung iting dia. Mata yung iting. Masa man ikaw ni Bia ma? Masa ikaw ni Bia?
Dapat yan ako pagtinda. Sikit ko na.
Di ba masa ikaw ninyo? Ha? Ha? Nakadurog na ako.
Magtimpla ko yung juice. Juice.
Love you. Bia, I love you. I miss you. Did your papa will call you? No, no. Ha? I can't hear you lang ga. What did you say? Tinong. What Papa Ro will say to you? Magbay siya og. Tinong ay. Sa kapag color lang ga oh. Look at your t-shirt and your cap. Same color. What color is that? Yeah. Same color. Sama na, uy. Are you busy? Are you busy? Okay. Lupat na si Mamay. Langga, do you love your Papa Roel? Ha? Do you love your Papa Roel? Do you love your Papa Roel? Do you love your Papa Roel? Ha? Yes or no? Nawa yun. Ana-ana raman. Tando-tando. Tabya. Bye-bye na. I love you. Heart. I miss you. I miss you. Take her all. Flying kiss. Take her always. Good health. Eat vegetables and fruits, ha? Don't eat too much chocolate candies and sweets. Oh, very good. Good to know, Langga. Continue that, ha? Maintain that. Maintain. Okay? What will you do if you're done eating chocolate candies and sweets and food? Oh, that's good to know. Did you brush your teeth every day? Huh? Did you brush your teeth every day? Oh, very good. Did you take your vitamins?
Yes.
Did you apply lotion in your body after you take a bath? Very good. Did you help your mama to do housework? Next time, ha? Help your mama, ha? Okay? Help lang kay mama in a simple way lang nga ba? Even in a simple way, you can help your mamay. Ha? A little na lang ba? Ha? Not too much. You can help her. Not too much, okay? Just simple way lang, good. Simple nga pamagini mo ba, okay? Langga? Did you pray to our God before you sleep? Langga, did you pray to our God before you sleep? Oh, very good. What is the color of your cloth, Langga? Bia, what is the color of your t-shirt? What is the color of your t-shirt? Very good, oy. Stang pants. Oh, na. Very good, Manoy. Can you count your finger? Achi. Can...
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's the next? 15. The next of 14 is 15 again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sige na lang, Gabi. What is your name? Sige na lang, next time na lang, next time. Langga, what is your name? Bia, what is your name? Di na ka. Sige na lang, see you. I will not force you na. See you. Okay. Tell everyone, ha? I love them, okay? Ma, amping mama, love you, ma. Regas lang ko yung tanan, ma. Love you. Sige na lang, ga. President call na, Bia.
wala pa mag-extend. Patungo lang, para kakito ka.
That's for your own good, man, sad lang ka. Sige na lang ka, president call na. Biya, president call na. Ay, na. Sige na lang, ma. Ako na lang patay, ma. Sige na, ma. Ping mo dira, ma. Love you, ma.